Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we're going to learn about Zentangles. The first thing we need to understand is the difference between Zentangles and doodling. So the most easy way to explain it is that doodling is just drawing very simple shapes without maybe too much attention or direction. Zentangles are more of a meditative drawing, and they are usually done in black and white only. And again, you do draw very simple shapes here, but the idea is a very repetitive pattern to relax you and to really get you into sort of a meditative state. And it requires concentration, and you can't do it while you're doing something else. That's not the idea. So you can create very elaborate or very simple Zentangle patterns. You will see that usually they're done in squares, but you can of course do them on a complete page and have like a sketchbook or a journal and fill your page with Zentangle designs. So what we're going to do today is use different tips, black pens, and I've already started making my pattern. So I first started with curved lines that are going to be sort of mini frames. That is why I am making the outer lines here bolder. And then the next thing is to simply fill all of these small confined areas with curved lines. That is all that I'm going to do. So it looks very boring, but it's actually very relaxing as you go along and you do that. And this is a very, very basic Zentangle pattern. And if you like it, we can do more in the future. The idea is to create the lines pretty close together. You can change their angle while you are filling the space that you're working on, so you can leave them in a curved direction, or you can gradually make them straighter or even curve to the other side. It's completely up to you how you want to fill all these white spaces. And of course I made it a lot faster. It takes a while to cover the entire page, but it's very relaxing and it's actually quite fun. And if you're intimidated by working on a large page, then you can simply draw squares on your page and just fill the squares with your pattern. It doesn't have to be a large page like I'm working on. You can just, let's say, draw 12 or 6 or 8 squares on your page, depending of course how large you want the squares and how much space you have on your page, and then work within those squares to create different patterns. I'm going to share more patterns, Zentangle patterns, in the future, so you can have more ideas. So I'm continuing with my curved lines. I sometimes start from the smaller edge going towards the larger edge, and sometimes vice versa. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so now the last one. And I also like to add a little bit of shadowing. So I'm just taking a watercolor pencil that I can smear a little bit to create the shadows. And I'm applying the shadows from the left and right side of that bold black line, and it gives the entire piece or the entire page more depth. I think it makes it look prettier this way. Of course, this is also completely up to you how you want to make your Zentangles, but it actually looks like the pattern is going deeper into the page. It looks like it's a 3D piece, and it's also part of the line movements and also part because of the shadowing that I'm adding. So this is a really basic pattern, like I said. Of course, you can make more elaborate patterns. And if you like this type of art, then please give it a try. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects and experiment with all the techniques that I'm sharing and I'm teaching you. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.